These are Karcher's CV38-2 and 48-2 upright vacuum cleaners for professional use. These machines are really simple to operate, easy to store, and easy to transport. The CV38 and 48 feature twin motors, one for the vacuum and one for the rotating brush. This ensures the machines provide incredible suction power and clean deep into the pile of the carpet. At 38 or 48 centimeters wide, these vacuums provide great productivity. All controls are easily identified in yellow: bag access and brush height adjuster, foot pedal, tool storage, handle height adjuster, and cable storage. The built-in wander hose and crevice tool clean right into corners and edges, as well as up high. The roller brush also features a wear indicator and a slip clutch to prevent damage if something is accidentally sucked into the machine. The red warning light indicates a blockage in the suction hose or that the dust bag is full. To make unblocking of the suction hose easy, there's an access point here on the back of the machine. Changing the dust bag is fast and mess-free. Just open the front panel, turn the lever, and remove the bag. Replacement is just as easy. The Karcher CV38-2 and 48-2. High productivity professional vacuum cleaners with typical Karcher build quality.